How to cancel an Instacart order. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can cancel an Instacart order. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to cancel an Instacart order, then first of all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Instacart application. Now the process of canceling your order really depends upon what stage your cancellation or your order is actually really is in. If you've only just ordered, it's only been a second or two, you can cancel it right away because the order hasn't been accepted by anyone, or the order has not been selected by your rider and the message has not been sent to the restaurant to prepare the order. That's when you can cancel the order. But if the restaurant has already prepared the order for you, it is a very difficult process to cancel the order. Now to do this, first of all, you want to make sure to launch the Instacart application. Then you want to tap the orders icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the orders icon here, you can see all orders or auto orders. So basically, if you have any type of orders that you've made over here, you can just go ahead and then tap on those orders, find the option to cancel it if it is eligible for a cancellation, and then you should be able to cancel your Instacart order. But it also really depends upon what stage the order really is in. So hope this video helped you clear your confusion as to how you can clear or cancel your Instacart order. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.